Simply, you open up your box. Inside a box is 2 capsules with 2 sponges for cleaning afterwards. And you open up these capsules and one is peroxide or developer, and other one is your color, your design color. It goes, you open it up and put it inside a bowl and mix it with this, and it'll be done. And you simply mix it in the corner of your bowl, just like that. When it gets creamy like this, you take that and you use it on your brows. All right, so I've been home for almost 2 weeks and my brows growing gray here. And I'm one of those people don't want to color all my brows. So also I'm a little thin in here. Simply after I mix the 2 colors ready, I'm going to put it on my gray area. Just stay right on the hair. Now you can color all your brows, but on my case, I'm here thin. I just put it right on my brows. I have a few gray here. I like to put it just like there. On my brows, about 5 to 7, 2 minutes on the thin area and gray, 7 total. I'm going to use the bowl and go right here and get all my excess of the color inside the bowl. Then use your finger, gloves, and I keep rubbing this color on top of each other like this. What it does, color will remove the color. I will just go and keep rubbing it like this so it's not gonna stain my skin. Then I will go and get a damp. These 2 comes in that package. You keep leaving one dry, the other one damp, and wipe it up. Again, I know you guys don't have time to come and do your threading here, but simply you can go brush your brows up just like that, and get your scissors. If you have, keep brushing it up and holding it, but not little loose, not all of it. Just go and take the end of your brows and trim them. Mine gets so long so quick. Some area like here, it gets really long. But take it up and then make sure when you're taking it back, so when you don't cut too much, make sure they're kind of laying on top of each other. After you brush or trimmed it, you brush them up and just see if you have any extra. Get your lid down. Any extra hair you have, don't get on the line, just 1 or 2 in the bottom. Clean those. And if you have a few in the middle, clean those. There's scissors and tweezers and a brow brush. If you need them, ask for them. We have them and we can mail it to you. They're great price. I think these are like $2. The scissors are $14 and these are $12, I believe, or $9. So I'm using brow filler and I will go and just filling up this thin area I'm just making small strokes.